Hey everyone, we're taking you to one of the most beautiful places we visited in Antalya, the Duden Waterfalls. This place has its own unique charm, peaceful streams, and a truly unforgettable atmosphere.
As you enter the Duden Park area, one of the first things you'll notice is a lovely mosque right near the entrance. It gives the whole place a peaceful, serene vibe as you begin your journey. We started walking along the Duden stream, and honestly, it was just so calming. The stream was flowing gently on our right-hand side, while to the left, there were lots of trees, quiet sitting areas, and people just enjoying the peaceful nature. There are plenty of spots to sit and relax as you walk along the path. A little further down, you'll also find a restaurant on the left, perfect for grabbing a bite or just enjoying the view. As you continue walking, the sound of the waterfall gradually gets louder, building up the excitement and creating a truly amazing experience. As you keep walking, there's a large rock sticking out over the path, so you'll need to bend down slightly to pass through. Just beside you, the stream is flowing beautifully along the rocks, offering a stunning view as you get closer to the waterfall. Right ahead, you'll notice some holes in the rock. Those are actually homes for bats. It's a protected area, so visitors are advised not to get too close to that section. As you can see, there are plenty of seating areas all around, making it a great spot for a picnic if you bring your own food. I am not entirely sure if the food is officially allowed, but I didn't notice any signs saying otherwise.
The view of the waterfall is absolutely breathtaking, truly unforgettable. The way the water crashes down with such force, surrounded by nature, creates a scene that feels almost magical. As you walk along, you're surrounded by lush greenery and tall trees. It's such a peaceful and beautiful place to spend some time and take it all in. Standing in front of the waterfall is an experience in itself. The water plunges down with such force, yet there's something calming about it. The steady roar drowns out the noise of the world and pulls you into the moment. You can watch it for ages, the way it flows so naturally, effortlessly carving its path through the rocks. As we walked along the path, the waterfall and stream stayed gracefully on our right-hand side, always within view. Honestly, we couldn't help but pause every few steps, just to take it all in. The sound of the rushing water, the way the stream shimmered in the light, and the sight of the falls pouring down ahead. It was all so captivating. It truly felt like we were in the middle of a peaceful escape from the noise of everyday life. Every view, every scene we came across felt like something out of a nature documentary. Absolutely amazing. Watching the water rush down into the stream, listening to the powerful sound of it flowing. It was such a treat for the eyes and ears. Honestly, it's one of those places that leaves a mark on you. If you're ever visiting Antalya, I'd highly recommend making time to come here. You really don't want to miss it. One of the most mesmerizing parts was watching the water crash down onto the rocks below. The force, the spray, the sound. It all came together to create such a powerful yet peaceful moment. The way the river and streams formed from that fall, flowing gently through the landscape, added to the beauty of it all. It felt like nature was painting a perfect picture right in front of us. We decided to head down and walk behind the waterfall to get an even richer experience. And let me tell you, the sound from behind the fall is something else. It's louder, more intense, and incredibly thrilling to hear the water crashing right in front of you. As you walk along, you'll find a cave-like passage that leads you inside, and the view from there is absolutely amazing. It's like stepping into nature's secret chamber. Watching the stream flow from behind the waterfall was just an incredible sight. The way the light hits the water, the mist in the air, it was magical. And as we walked through the cave, it honestly felt like we were part of an adventure movie. The sound of the water all around us, the rocky path and that cool air. It was such a unique and unforgettable experience. Behind the waterfall, you'll actually find plenty of small caves and openings scattered all around. If you go a bit further up and walk right behind the fall, you'll see water dripping down right in front of you. It's a beautiful sight, but I wouldn't recommend going too deep into that area, as it can get quite slippery and wet. Luckily, there are lots of safer spots nearby where you can explore, take in the view, and capture some amazing photos. We really enjoyed our time at Duden Waterfalls. It was honestly one of the highlights of our trip to Antalya. From the peaceful streams to the powerful falls and those hidden caves, the whole experience was just amazing. If you ever visit Antalya, I highly recommend coming here. It's a place that truly stays with you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed being there and sharing it with you. Thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Take care and see you in the next one.